Okay, I'm back playing Slime Rancher 2 because you guys liked it, and this took a while to come out because I didn't expect the other video to get 2 likes so fast. So I didn't check for a while, but then I checked and then it had 2 likes. So now I'm gonna touch the rainbow because I want to. Actually, I don't think I want to. I kind of do though. I feel like I need to touch it. Does it send me to the moon? I hope it. I hope it doesn't send me to the volcano either. But we'll find out. Okay, it's loading something. Oh, come on, it took me closer to the volcano. Ember Valley? It says Ember Valley on the right side of the screen. With a volcano picture. I hope it didn't send me to the volcano. It's just a valley. Probably because it's Ember Valley. What is that? This is carrots. You're not allowed to be. It's an odd onion. It says you wouldn't trust. So, I wouldn't trust this onion, even less so than a normal onion. That's the description of the odd onion. Why would you be trusting an onion anyway? Why would you be trusting a vegetable? Are onions, they should be vegetables. I haven't read like the first one, so I'm not gonna read that. Oh, there's the map. How do I get there? Ah, bark. Where's that thing? Ow. That hurt me. Oh, it's big now. How do I get to that? I need that. How? How do I get that though? Can this? No, go. Ah! Can I make it? No, I can't make it. I'm gonna try again. I made it. Let's go. So it is just kind of a valley. What is that though? What is this? I want to go to this. It's ahead. Ah, I fell. Okay, there's no fall damage, I don't think. Whee! And up higher. Whee! I can't make it. I don't know how I get up there. There's the rainbow portal again. Ah! Oh, what's that? There's a fish. I want the fish. No more odd onion. I want the fish. It's an angler slime. Ah! Okay. Now there's another one. And a heartbeat. Is that meant to be like a pun because a heart beats? And it's a heartbeat. It's a beat in the shape of a heart. I don't know what I'm thinking. Why did the music change? I don't know. I'm gonna ignore it. I don't want to fight a boss fight. Get me out of there. What is that? Okay. I'm gonna head back to the portal because I don't know what to do here. I've got some slimes and stuff. I forgot what I was gonna even do when I came out here. But I'm heading all the way back to that. Oh, Is that the map? That's a map. Do I not have the map here? I don't have the map out here. Whee! Okay. Yay. Now I have the map here. Okay. No. Okay, okay. More carrots. Yay. Why is the grass shifting colors? It's not like a shadow. Like, the grass isn't like brown where there's a shadow. I don't know. Yeehaw! No. Carrot. I don't know where the other carrot went. What is that thing? I don't know. I don't think I like it. I just ate that thing. Oh no, there's another one. I'm going. Nope. What is that? I need the upgrade for that too. And this one. Oh come on! I have to go back to that thing and that one probably. Oh my goodness. No, it's playing the same music I heard earlier. I don't want to die. No, it's coming for me. Okay, where's my house? No, I need to get to my house. I don't want to fight boss slimes. Okay. Oh yeah, here. I don't see them. Hopefully they're not following me. I don't think they're following me. Hmm. What are these chickens doing loose? Bad chickens. You guys have floats. I will feed you, chicken. You get back here, chicken. And that's a rooster. It's a rooster. But, ooh. Yeah. It's a rooster, but ooh. That makes sense. Ugh. 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 I don't know what I'm doing. Wait a second. Oh man. Okay. Okay, there we go. I don't know why I thought it would pick up by walking. Can I like shoot it above and it falls in? Nope. No, don't go in the cave. I don't want to go in there. Look back. I couldn't even see it come out. I think that's the prices. Okay. I'm not sure what to do. I have $320. I don't know what to do with that. Ugh. Can I make it? I'm assuming like right here. I had to aim like there. Yes. Okay. Yes. Okay. I need another habitat thing. Another corral. Yay. Now put these guys in there. They eat meat. Sorry, other slimes, but I'm taking your chickens. Okay, whatever. Oh my goodness, what are they doing? They are gobbling down those chickens. I know, I sucked one up. Okay. Angler ports. Put yellow dot on them. I think they're $26. Yes, it's like at $26. That's like double the money than the pink ports. These guys are better. I like them more. Okay, now isn't there like something to like hold the chickens? Yeah, the coop. I need this. Okay. And then I'm gonna get chickens. I need chickens. We chickens. Where are some chickens? What is that? I need the resource harvester for that too. That's a nest, but I don't see any chickens. You guys better not have eaten the chickens. These guys, I think they have better ports than the pink slimes. Yeah. And I combine my pink slimes with them. Okay, I'm gonna read this now. Well, here we are again. I'm sending out. Okay, I already messed up. Okay, I'm gonna try reading it again. Well, here we are again. I'm sending the drones out to all their original scouting locations. Once I confirm the conditions are the same, I'll get to work. This place, I still remember being in awe of these rainbow fields. It felt like being in a beautiful dream. And I guess in a way it was, because it ended much too soon. I can't read that well. I might have already read that, but I don't know. So, I'm hearing some, like, I don't know, shiny? I don't know how to describe it. Coin. Like you drop a coin noises. Thought I heard that. Maybe it was just an actual real life coin dropping. I don't know why, but maybe. I don't think I've gotten much done. Maybe I should explore that area more in the next video. Okay. I went out looking for chickens and I come back with no chickens. If I go to that one rainbow portal again, there was chickens there. I'm gonna accomplish my mission of chickens. And the video will probably end. Once I get like 10 chickens. How about that? I don't need tiny chickens. Oh, sorry. Oh, chicken. Okay, more chickens. No, don't eat the chicken. I thought I heard that coin noise again. I don't know if it's just me or if it's actually there's a coin noise. So, I don't know. It's weird. Okay. Where is it though? Okay, I head this way. Okay. That's a map. I can activate it, it just shows me the map. I bet there's some people that think that's the only way to access the map. Oh, I'm at 9. I technically have 10 chickens. I think I'm gonna go back then. I have 10 hens. Yay! What is that thing? This bat. It's a bat phosphorus slime. It eats fruit. I only have 6 fruit. But you can have it if it makes you happy. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with it because all my slimes at my house have enough food. Plus I have 20 carrots for them to eat. I don't know why I was talking to that slime thing. Okay, another one. Yay! Okay. I'm gonna feed them like 3. And then I'm gonna take the other ones and put them in here. And the tiny baby one. And put it in there. What were you doing on top of this? What's the dog doing? Except it's chickens. What are you guys doing? You're just... No, you can't have the chickens. No. Okay, I don't have like any money. Oh my goodness, 1,300? That's a lot of money. I don't know. I think my goal is accomplished. I'm gonna sell this and sell these plants, and then I'm gonna end the video. Is that all the plants? I don't know. I'll read that message. I just got the conversation. Next video. That'll be the first thing I do. No, it'll be the last thing I do this video, actually. Okay. It's Mochi Miles. Well, what do you want to know? Beatrix LeBou. I read it wrong. Well, what do you know? Beatrix LeBou off on another adventure and didn't think to take her good pal, sometimes rival and forever mentor, Mochi Miles. Seriously, B, next time you go running off to a dangerous, uncharted territory, could you at least give me a heads up? I'd like to be there for you in case you need me. To help collect all those valuable resources that seem to be scattered all over the island. What, you think I wasn't going to do a little recon of my own? What good are surveillancing satellites if they can't snoop on stuff? Anyway, be careful out there. The island gives me a kind of weird vibe, so I'm going to keep poking around. Oh, and since I know you're starting from scratch out there, take this refinery link. Should make things easier for you. I'll just put it on your lab later, Tater. Okay, I got a refinery link. Okay. I think I'm all done. Okay, thanks for watching, I guess. I honestly don't know what to say. I guess you watched, and if you watched, that either means that you just left it on like your phone or laptop or whatever, and you just left or something and you didn't even watch it, and now you're back and you hear this, or that you actually watched it and you liked it, and I'm going to try to continue these videos, so that means if you like this video, then that you'll probably like all the other ones. So maybe you should subscribe and turn on the notifications so that you can, you'll get notified when the next one comes out so you can watch it. Or you could just check every once in a while on this channel to find the next one. Or you could just not watch the next one. I don't really care. So bye. Thanks for watching. Maybe.